Hey YouTube, this here is an Epson Powerlite Home Cinema. This is a model 3020. You'll have seen me actually change the bulb in this thing. Today we want to take a look at the filter on this thing and see what it takes to take the filter out, clean it out, and put it back up. This thing's been hanging here for about 6 years or so. It is an HD projector. It simulates 4K. It doesn't do 4K really well, but it does HD really well. And this thing uses a lot of air to keep the bulb clean. So what we need to do is make sure the filter stays clean, make sure the vents stay clean. There might be some cobwebs around it, but let's go up there and take a look at this. Let's get to it. If you take a look at this thing from the front, you'll notice there are a couple air vents on either side of the bulb. The lens is smack in the middle, but the bulb is really in this housing here. If you recall from the video that I posted some time ago about how to change the bulb, you'll know that we take the bulb out from under here. So the air circulates into this thing through a filter and back out this way. If you look inside this set of vents here, you'd see the filter right in there. To take the filter out is relatively easy. There's just a little thing right here. You just hold it and pull it out. And you could examine the filter and see if it's dirty, clean it out, or change it. Believe it or not, this little filter is quite expensive. So what I've been doing is just, for the most part, just dusting this out and putting it back on. I'm just gonna take this thing outside and use a leaf blower and just blow all the dust out of it. This is the front side. This is the front side of it. And this is where the dust gets sucked in. So I'm gonna blow from the back side and blow just all the dust out of there. If you want to replace this thing too, you can. The filter just pops right on out right on. This is the actual filter. I want to say this little thing is about 60 bucks, but I'm not sure. I'd have to look it up. I just clean it out, and if you hold it up to the sunshine, you could actually see light through it. You can see it's much cleaner than it was before. Now let's go put it back on. Installation is just the opposite of removal. There's the hole. Just slide this bad boy in and that's it. Now it's ready to be used again. I tried to clean this thing out every couple months or so, just to make sure I get all the dust out of it. Eventually I'll just replace the whole thing, but for now cleaning it out works. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.